Thank you so much for checking another episode. My name is Hiromi Narita. I'm a study abroad advisor at Kirkwood Community College. Today we're gonna hear another experience from our student Josiah. So Josiah, please introduce yourself and tell us where you went for study abroad.
I'm Josiah Velasquez. I went to Florence, Italy for my study abroad trip. And I went to the Culinary arts program, mostly baking, so I focused a lot on pastries and desserts.
Awesome. So Italy.
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome. So what was the focus of this program? What are things you learned?
So baking is the main focus that I chose. We focused on like desserts and pastries like croissants, panna cotta, creme brulee. We did a lot of pastry cream, a lot of pizza dough too.
Wow, that sounds great.
It was
Awesome.
incredible.
So you guys went to a university and took classes there, right?
It was called a FUA.
Uh-huh.
So through that program, we had classes and teachers and instructors that helped us to gain the skills to be able to execute Italian dishes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. So why did you decide to join this program?
Well, I decided to join because it's been a dream of mine to just travel the world. And I feel like that this trip would be like that first step towards the bigger dream of just traveling the globe. And just learning more about the program. I think that being able to like explore more of the Italian cuisine and Italian culture was something that I just drew me into it.
So you're a culinary arts student
Yeah.
right now. And was this your first time going abroad?
Yes, it was my first time leaving the States, so I was like,
Wow.
it was awesome.
Were you
Very
nervous?
eye-opening. I was nervous, but I was more excited.
Awesome.
I was like, my mind was like blown as we were like traveling. Just like took a lot to process, but it was amazing.
Wow, I'm so happy you did it.
I am too.
Was there any difficulty or challenges though to join this program?
Well, for me, I signed up last minute, so there was a lot of like hoops I had to jump through. A lot of like last minute like payment plans, and a lot of scholarships and essays I had to write and I had to apply for.
Yeah.
It was a lot intense process, but it was worth it definitely.
Yeah.
And one of the scholarships I applied for that helped a lot was the government scholarship program.
Yeah, skill
I got like $3,000 for that, and it was very helpful.
Yeah.
And it made the experience just very better because I didn't have to like worry too much about financial needs. I could just actually enjoy the trip and not have to worry about whether or not I could pay for something.
Right. That's amazing. I'm so happy for you.
It was nice.
Yeah. Okay, so tell us more about the programs, the things you've experienced, culture, food. Yeah.
There was a lot of good food. One of my favorite dishes that I've tried there was probably like just like different like meats and like this like sandwich. There was like a focaccia sandwich, and it was just a very big staple in Italy. There's like always like little sandwich shops like everywhere in every corner, and they were like amazing.
Wow.
And
How was like program itself, like to interact with like chefs, learning about new techniques?
well, the chefs were very intense. In the kitchen, like when we were working, they'd always like yell and like scream
Really?
a lot. But like outside of that, they were very nice and gentle.
Oh.
So it's kind of like a funny switch, but they're nice chefs. I'm like glad to have learned underneath them. The students were also nice. Most of them were from Kirkwood that I worked with, but there were a couple from someone from New York, and then we had one who is from Italy itself, so they were like native to that area. So I was like kind of nice asking them questions, picking their brain on like how the culture was, and like more specifically like what I guess spots we should try, like as in food or like different places to go. So it was like nice having them as a friend.
Yeah. Wow. I'm so happy you had that experience. How was like your group? So you went with a group of Kirk students and
Yeah,
faculty leaders.
I think 13 of us in total. Like when I first got together, like I didn't know anyone too well, but after like the ending of the trip and we were getting back, we were all like very close and connected and very bonded a lot through the trip.
Nice.
And it was just it was a nice experience.
Wow.
I feel like I got closer to them too.
That's great. I'm so happy for you. Yeah.
Yeah, it was nice.
Is there anything like any experience that happened to you during the program and impacted you?
I would say I guess the classes, the high stress environment, something I wasn't necessarily used to, but something that helped a lot to like push me and teach me the skills I needed to be able to pursue a more professional career.
Wow.
And then another experience I liked would be when we went to our excursions. So I was like field trips essentially outside of our normal classes to know more about the culture and the history. So one of them that I really enjoyed was like a beach we went to, where it was like a 2-hour hike that led to the beach.
Yeah.
So it was like a very long hike, but worth it in the end. And another experience I had that was very impactful to me would be I was on the train. We were heading towards one of the excursions, and I was like looking out the window, looking at the beautiful countryside of Italy,
Yeah.
and just like as I was staying there, like I was thinking about like that I'm in Italy. I'm like, this is like actually something that's happening to me right now. Thinking about all the challenges that me and my family went through to be able to get to where we are now. That my parents sacrificed so much to give me the opportunities to be here and like be in Italy. And it was just an emotional kind of realization.
Yeah.
But it was just something that like made me appreciate the trip more.
Wow. Sounds like you had a really deep reflection.
It was.
Wow. Thank you for sharing that.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like I really want more Kirkwood students to go study abroad.
Yes, I will say that it is definitely worth it.
Yeah. So what would you tell them? What are messages you have?
I would say that if you think that going abroad is something you can't do, whether for whatever reason, you should always reach out to the advisors as you or other advisors that are here to help you.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of opportunities and a lot of resources that Kirkwood has to make it doable.
Yeah.
I mean, initially I didn't think I would be able to do this, but learning about the opportunities that you guys have, it helped me a lot,
Right.
especially the Gilman Scholarship.
Yes, Gilman. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, thank you so much for sharing your stories today. So at Kirkwood, we have amazing study abroad opportunities for students, and we help you apply for scholarships. Many students receive the Gilman Scholarship, and you can get about $3,000 to $4,000. I'm here to help you with the application. So again, let's just try. I'm really hoping that you will join our study abroad programs and experience amazing things abroad. Thank you so much, Josiah.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.